Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to cover the lead follow-up systems. In this video, we are going to cover what actions we are going to perform. So right now we are inside Opportunities tab and we are looking at the appointment booking pipeline that I have created. So as you can see that there are multiple stages like appointment booked, meeting done, no show, sent for show, no show follow-ups. This is a really important stage because it's a trigger for another automation. When the appointment is booked, the person is sent into this appointment booked stage, and we have to manually change whether the meeting was done or was no, and the person didn't show up. So and when we have moved the contact, the opportunity from no show to the sent or from any other stage to this particular sent for no show follow-ups stage, uh, a series of follow-up automation is run, and I will go towards that now. The purpose of that is actually we are demanding or following up the client to book another appointment with us so we can have a meeting. So as you can see, I just moved the stage previously. Then this follow-up automation was ran. As you can see that there is in pipelines, the pipeline stage is sent for no show follow-ups. When this condition is fulfilled, our contact is added in this workflow. So you can see right here, this contact was added. And when we move downwards, you can see that we are sending an email to ask them, following up, that we should book another appointment. So after sending that email, we are waiting for the trigger link, which is of the calendar, to be clicked. If that person clicks that appointment, we are going to end this automation, and otherwise we are that particular contact is sent in this path, which is the same. I copied it. This particular region is same, the email and the wait button. So I've just copied that, and the two messages are sent. The email messages are sent inside this no show follow-ups. So you can also create another, your own according to your own needs. So from my side, if you find this video helpful, you may like the video and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.